Some of us Muslims will try to water down our religion so that we fit in. I think most people are just trying to fit in. They don't really think for themselves. But I think as Muslims, we will never fit in. I mean, think about it. Your non-Muslim friends and acquaintances, they're having casual relationships, premarital sex, boyfriends and girlfriends. They're drinking alcohol, they're going out to party, to clubs. These are all common actions that non-Muslims do, and they're all completely haram, they're all completely against Islam, and for good reason. They're all bad for you. And they don't bring you contentment and fulfillment. If they did, why is it that so many people who are rich, successful, non-Muslims, they tell us repeatedly, money doesn't bring happiness, we're still depressed. And on the other hand, those who center their lives around Allah, they're the ones that seem most at peace. Even if you look at the non-Muslims, the ones with the biggest sense of spirituality around them, who believe in God, they're the ones that are most satisfied in life. And as Muslims, I believe that if we center our lives around Allah, that will bring us a contentment that can't be matched. A sense of peace, a treasure that's more valuable than any worldly possession. I think as you learn your religion, you realize how worthless all of these worldly pleasures are. So those that live for Allah are the most content. If the kings in their palaces knew of our contentment, they would come and take it with their swords. And as I said, I think you attain that contentment by learning the religion, learning about the Prophet, peace be upon him, and his companions. You attain that contentment by living a life focused on pleasing Allah, focused on attaining Jannah, the highest level of heaven, striving to emulate the practices and teachings of the Prophet, peace be upon him. I think then you won't feel the need to show your hair if you're a woman, or to go out clubbing with the boys if you're a guy, or you won't feel the need to fit in. I don't want to fit into a degenerate society. I think that the more different you are, the more different that you feel, the more sure you can be that you're on the right path, the righteous path. And I think once we fall in love with our religion, we realize this truth.